Yes, my room is a mess because I am extremely burnt out from design school, and finally it is the holidays, and so I decided to fix my shelf, which is extremely broken because the back balls are completely off the shelf, so I need to put that back together. I also need to get myself put together by cleaning up my accumulated mess on my desk and like the side trolley rack that we have here, because I've been so busy from school. I'm just coming home, dumping my stuff, doing my work, going to school, vice versa. So let's get started. It is a very hot day and I'm already sweating like a dog, but I'm gonna start by taking everything off the shelf first and then fixing it up. I'm gonna move the shelf now. Wish me luck that I don't die, literally. I'm trying to problem solve right now, and I don't think wearing shorts was a good idea because the back of the shelves is very sharp, and I am gonna walk out of this project scarred. This is not a one-person job. So the next step I'm gonna do is, after I finish screwing, I'm gonna use the contact adhesive because I don't have wood glue, and it says to avoid contact with like eyes and hand, like skin. So I'm using my gloves I used to use back in film school. But why is it so crunchy? I kid you not, within the period of me trying to figure out how to freaking put this thing onto the board, onto the shelf, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. You know what's the worst thing is? I broke my chair. I broke the chair that I was standing on. Oh my god. I was gonna celebrate. Yeah, I put it in and I fell off the chair. So they have this little screw thing, and I'm assuming the reason why they didn't screw it here or here is because it's supposed to be in between, like in between, so that it won't slip out. I screwed a bunch of tiny little screws everywhere, so now it's like it's like not popping out or anything. It's really stuck on there, and I'm like, I like the sound of that. So while digging the toolbox area, I found this big ass tape, duct tape. Oh, it's my bad, silicone tape as it says in the inside. I'm just gonna all the way down, and I still have yet to glue the sides on the other side, but it's just an update. And after this, I'm gonna be done. I will put the shelf back. I'm gonna put everything on the shelf, and then we can move on to cleaning the trolley section next to the shelf. We're done. Yay, we're done. So I fixed the shelf, I've cleaned the shelf, I've cleaned this trolley up, and now it looks so much more better. The table. We are finally done. So no more dead plants, nicely neat placed items, and trolley nicely all cleaned. Just left to put the anime figurines, and that's all.